Hi there, welcome to Machine Bytes, your go-to place to learn AI the smart way. Today's topic is measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency is statistical method to identify center of large dataset. It helps to summarize datasets and provide insights into average behavior of the data. We have three types of measures of central tendency. First of them is mean, which is also called average. Other is median, or we can say the mid value. And the third one is mode. Let's explore them one by one. Mean, also known as average, is the average of all the data points. So if we have a list with entries as 1, 2, 3, then its average will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by number of items, which is 3. So it will be 6 by 3, which is 2. It's the mean of this list. The population mean for a particular data set is denoted by mu, and its formula is summation of all the data points divided by number of total data points, and summation will be done from 1 to n. We can also have sample mean, for which formula is summation of all the xi and total number of data points, which is denoted by smaller n, and entries will be taken from 1 to n. Sample mean is denoted by x bar. The second measure of central tendency is median, which is the mid value from dataset when it's sorted. For example, if we have this list 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, then first we need to sort this. So it will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Here the number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So third will be the median value. 2 is the median in this case. But if we have even number of entries, say if 4 was also here along with this list, there was one more entry 4. In that case, it would have been average of middle two elements, that is 2 plus 2. So the median would be 2 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 2 again. Third measure of tendency is mode. Mode of a dataset is the max occurring element. So now if the list is something like this, 1, 2, 4, 2, 9, 4, 2. In this case, 2 is appearing 3 times. So mode of this particular list will be 2. So far we understood the basic definition of mean, median, and mode. Now let's understand where all these can be used practically. Let's take an example. If we have salaries of some employees like this 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 70, 85, 80, and 200. So in this case, mean of salaries would be sum of all these elements, which will be 760, divided by 9, which is total number of elements in this list. This will be about 84.4. This is the mean. Now you can see most of the items in this list are in the range of around 50 to 85, but still our mean is coming to 84.4 because of this value 200, which could be a outlier. If we calculate median for the same list, then it will be the middle value, which will be fifth of all 9 elements. in sorted list. So the sorted list will be 55, 60, 65, 70, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 200. Now the middle element is 70. So median for this list will be 70. If we talk about the mode, it's the most occurring element in the list. In this case, again, 70 will be the mode. Now we can see that mean was impacted because of this outlier, but there was no such impact on median because of this, and mode also. Let's understand where in the real-time scenarios these can be used. For a grocery store, if we want to understand how much a customer is spending in one visit, we may go for the mean. But like we saw, mean may be impacted by the outliers. So we should use mean only if we are sure that there are no outliers and data is clean and the data is not skewed. If these conditions are not satisfied, in that case, using median would be a better choice. Other example is website loading time. In this example, we can use median to know typical user experience. Here, we might not use mean because there can be some customers who has poor network connection, which is resulting into low load time. So it will not reflect the true picture. Median will be a better central tendency here. Other example could be where we are trying to analyze the survey responses. Now, since survey responses are generally categorized, like it could be a very good experience, average, poor experience, or very poor, something like that. In this case, we have categories, and the better measure of central tendency will be mode. This will help us to identify the common opinion. So to summarize, we can say we should use mean when data is clean, with no outliers and no skewness. Median can be used where there are or there could be outliers and skewness in the data. And then mode should be used wherever we are dealing with either categorical data or want to have the analysis of most frequently occurring element. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, suggestions, you may let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.